Once Pesto was put back together and all the upgrades were installed, it was time to put on the required decals for the Motoshippers gas program and my rider number. I did one last fluid change to start with fresh fluids. I packed everything I will need to get the bike ready for shipping. We used Motoshippers to truck our bikes from Northern California to my brother's house in New York. Hammy even rode all the way across the country to supervise the loading of our scooters. Less than a week later, our scooters arrived in New York, ready to ride up to Bar Harbor for the start. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Road to Cannonball, where I answer the question that is on everybody's mind.